Hey, today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is for you and your students to create a post in SpacesEDU. Head into one of your spaces or the main feed and click that big blue plus create button at the bottom of the page. You'll see there are a bunch of different media options. That's because we know that not all students like to show their learning the same way, and teachers want to provide content in a way that meets all their learners' needs. Want to add an audio recording in addition to written text? No problem. You and your students can add up to 10 media artifacts to a single post to help tell the full story or the process of learning. Once you've created the post, just choose the space you want it to go to. It's that easy. The only difference between student and teacher posts is that teachers can pre-tag posts with curriculum tags. This means that posts automatically get tagged back to your state standards or curriculum outcomes and can be referenced in the proficiency report. Once you're ready to post, hit the post button and your post is ready to engage with through reactions and comments. This has been our introduction to creating a post. Now it's time for you to get started.